Hi, this is How To's. This is the video number 5 of the video editing series. In this video we are going to see how you can freeze a screen in a video. When you want to stop at some point in a video while describing something, then you can freeze that part of your video. So let's see how you can do this. First, take the seeker to the part of your video where you want the screen to be frozen, then right-click on the video. And go to Time, then Freeze, and then select the duration for which you want the video to be still. And, as you can see, the length of your video has increased, indicating the video has been frozen for some time. The biggest limitation of this is that if you want to freeze video for longer duration, you cannot do that. Thankfully, we have another way for freezing video for a longer duration. Take the seeker to the desired point and then click on this Save Frame option and save the file. Now, slice this video at this point. And then, import and add that frame file here, like this. Using this, you can freeze the screen indefinitely. Thank you. Hope you learned something new today. In the next video, we will see how you can animate a video. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video.